Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Today we're diving into an essential topic for modern programming, working with JSON files in Python. JSON, short for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data format used widely for data exchange between systems, APIs, and applications. Python makes it incredibly easy to work with JSON files, whether you're reading, writing, or manipulating structured data. In this session, we'll cover how to parse JSON files into Python objects and how to convert Python objects back into JSON format. Let's get started and learn how to seamlessly handle JSON files in Python. JSON is a lightweight data format, easy for humans and machines to read. It's widely used in modern applications, especially with web APIs. Python's JSON module helps in efficiently handling JSON files, allowing seamless reading, writing, and manipulation. JSON is structured as a key-value pair similar to Python's dictionaries, making it intuitive for Python developers. This guide explores JSON, its advantages, and working with JSON files in Python with examples. A JSON file is a text file with a .json extension. It supports data types such as objects, arrays, strings, numbers, booleans, and null values. Here's an example of some JSON data. JSON offers readability, making it easy for humans to understand. Additionally, it's language independent, allowing for use across various programming languages, making it ideal for data exchange. JSON is lightweight, ensuring minimal overhead. It integrates well with modern APIs and databases. Additionally, JSON is compatible with Python, mapping directly to its data types for easy parsing and manipulation. Python's JSON module offers various methods to read and write JSON files and convert between Python objects and JSON data. Here's an example of how to read a JSON file. Here's an example of how to access data in a JSON file. Here's an example of writing to a JSON file from data that was set up statically before writing it out. Here's how you can write a JSON string to a file. In this example, we're modifying JSON data directly. In this example, we're converting a JSON object to a string and then printing it out. In this example, we're converting a string object to a JSON object. JSON is widely used for storing configuration data, API integration, data serialization, cross-language communication, and logging in applications. In this example, we're demonstrating how to perform error handling with JSON, and error handling is crucial in any computer program, and handling JSON data in Python is no exception to this. In summary, JSON files are efficient for data storage and exchange. They work well with Python's dictionaries and lists, making them perfect for API communication, configuration management, and data serialization. Python's JSON module offers tools to handle JSON data easily. Well, that's all for our session with working with JSON files in Python. Today we covered how to read, write, and manipulate JSON data with Python's powerful built-in tools. JSON is a crucial format for working with APIs and structured data, and mastering it will enhance your ability to handle real-world programming tasks. Well, thank you for joining us at Destin Learning. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next session. Happy coding. Bye for now.